The latest development in OpenAI after Chatgpt is their new model called POINTE. It is a machine learning model that generates 3D images based on text. Existing systems like Google's Diffusion require multiple GPUs, POINTE only needs one GPU and a minute or two. POINTE doesn't create 3D objects in the traditional sense. Rather, it generates point clouds. So what is this point cloud? A point cloud is essentially a large collection of tiny individual points plotted in 3D space. Each point has a 3D coordinate x, y, z. Point clouds are commonly generated using 3D laser scanners and LiDAR through a process called photogrammetry. Laser scanners generally identifies the exact location of points by sending light signals and then measure how much time light takes back to reach scanner. Each point is then stick together, completing a full scene with process of registration. Let's first look at the demo published on Hugging Face Model Portal. As part of POINTE model, you specify a text in the box and a 3D point cloud is generated, which is then stick together to get the desired result. With just few lines of code, you can also generate the point cloud programmatically. You need to import the diffusion package, generally starts with 40M TextVec model, and then you can create a upsample model. A point cloud sampler is then passed to model and result is generated. Link to POINTE GitHub notebook can be found in description. There are two approaches to text to 3D. Methods which train generative models directly on paired text to 3D data. Methods which leverage pre-trained text-image models to optimize differentiable 3D representations. POINTE combines the text-to-image model with an image-to-3D model. Text-to-image model leverages a large corpus of text-image pairs, allowing it to follow diverse and complex prompts, using diffusion models, while image-to-3D model is trained on a smaller dataset of image-3D pairs. To produce a 3D object from a text, we first sample an image using the text-to-image model, and then sample a 3D object conditioned on the sampled image. A high-level overview of model pipeline. First, a text prompt is fed into a glide model to produce a synthetic rendered view. Next, a point cloud diffusion stack conditions on this image to produce a 3D RGB point cloud. If you'd like to try it out for yourself, OpenAI has posted the project's open source code on GitHub. The model is very basic and needs a lot of improvements, but there has been a lot of protest against the use of these models, as there might be copyright claims and also models replacing artists. Future will give us more clarity. Thanks for following. Please like and subscribe for more AI content.